Yep.
That's going straight to the bloopers.
Yeah, don't forget the beans.
Yeah, they're elusive.
Favourite meal as a kid?
Toad in the hole. I used to love that so much. My birthdays, I'd be like, had toad in the hole with candles in it.
That is an ugly looking
It is
birthday
sad.
cake. And how about you, Bodie?
Roast pork. Big meals on the farm, feeding a lot of us.
Were there a lot of food fights?
Certainly no throwing food. First up would get a lot of the crackling, and that would be a contentious...
So how do you decide who's first up?
Mum would call out once, and if she had to call out 3 times, yeah, you'd be sorry.
My dad had these really set table manners. He'd kick me out into the kitchen, but in the kitchen was where all the seconds
All the
were.
good stuff was. None of us were allowed to start eating until my mum had got to the table.
Oh, we weren't allowed to start eating until my mum put the first mouthful in her
Which is
mouth.
great because it showed a bit of a sign of
Yeah.
respect.
Are you guys around the table with your kids?
We used to. Now it's like...
I'm trying to bring that back around the table.
I would like to bring it back.
If you've made some nice food and then everyone's just watching the TV going,
Oh, I know.
It's one thing we have TVs off.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
annoying thing about kids is you go, what happened at school? And they go,
Nothing.
Nothing. Something must have happened.
Nah.
I don't know, can't remember. I reckon we make a pretty good dinner party team.
There's been no fights.
Look, I reckon out of all of us, wouldn't have to do the dishes because look, our plates are completely clean.
I spilled a lot of food on the table as well.
Looks like it's bad.
I'll help you, man.
Okay, we bloody do everything around here.
I'll clear the table.